Apple just unveiled iOS 27, and this isn't just another iPhone update. From a brand new AI framework and smarter Siri to powerful AP, is that let developers build AI apps directly into iOS. These are the biggest changes Apple has announced at WWDC 26. Let's dive in. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Apple has officially announced iOS 27, and this update is packed with features for both developers and everyday users. Whether you're an iPhone user, Swift developer, or simply excited about Apple Intelligence, this video covers everything important. Let's get started. 1. Foundation Models Framework. The biggest announcement in iOS 27 is the new Foundation Models Framework. Developers can now access Apple's on-device AI models using native Swift APIs. Instead of calling only cloud-based AI, apps can use Apple Intelligence directly on the device. Even better, Apple designed the framework so developers can work with multiple language models, not just Apple's own. Apps can integrate Apple Foundation models, cloud-hosted models like Claude or Gemini, or any provider that conforms to Apple's language model protocol. This opens the door for AI writing assistants, smart note-taking, AI-powered productivity apps, local privacy-focused AI experiences too. Smarter Siri AI. Apple is introducing the next generation of Siri AI. Siri becomes more conversational, understands context better, and integrates more deeply with apps across the system. Apple is making these capabilities available for developer testing as part of iOS 27. Imagine asking Siri, summarize today's emails, find the photo from my trip last summer, create reminders from this message, and Siri understands the entire context. 3. Apple Intelligence. Gets better? Apple Intelligence now powers even more experiences throughout iOS. Developers can build intelligent features without relying entirely on third-party AI services. This means faster responses, better privacy, offline capabilities, lower latency for agentic apps. Apple is pushing developers toward agentic apps. These apps can understand user intent, perform multiple steps automatically, complete tasks with minimal user interaction. Think of an AI assistant built directly into your app. 5. Evaluations Framework. Apple also introduced an evaluations framework. Developers can measure AI quality test prompts, compare models, improve responses using structured evaluations. This helps build more reliable AI-powered apps. 6. Better AI debugging. Building AI apps can be difficult. Apple now includes new debugging and profiling tools in instruments. Developers can inspect model performance, memory usage, latency, token generation. These tools make optimizing AI workflows much easier. 7. Python, SDK, and CLI. Apple introduced new developer tools, including Python, SDK, FM, CLI. Developers can experiment with prompts, automate workflows, and prototype AI features before integrating them into iOS apps. 8. Xcode 27. Xcode 27 ships with updated support for Swift, SwiftUI, and the latest Apple platform SDKs, making it easier to adopt iOS 27 features across your apps. Why this matters? For years, developers depended heavily on external AI providers. Now Apple offers native AI APIs that integrate directly into the operating system while keeping user privacy at the center. This could become one of the biggest shifts in iOS development since SwiftUI. Conclusion: iOS 27 is much more than a yearly update. It's Apple's biggest step yet toward making AI a core part of app development. From foundation models and smarter Siri to powerful developer tools, the future of iPhone apps is becoming more intelligent than ever. Which iOS 27 feature excites you the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like this video, comment your favorite iOS 27 feature, subscribe for more WWDC 26, SwiftUI, Xcode, and Apple development tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.